New technologies and approaches are critical to unlocking marginal field developments through renewable energy. Access to sustainable, low-carbon energy for powering fields is key. Understanding and mapping these resources to meet specific asset, field or reservoir location is vital. Aquatera's RADMapp mapping system is a risk-based decision tool which identifies key renewable resources across the UKCS, including wind, wave, tidal and solar. These resources are mapped to known marginal fields, identifying natural power source at location. The system can be customised to model bespoke criteria, including the optimal natural resource for each well or area. A range of energy solutions, including tiebacks, wind farms and cables from shore, are then identified and expanded to consider subsurface characteristics, logistics and overall field development economics. Ultimately, RADMapp provides a single-point tool for determining both the economic and technical viability of energy solutions. By replacing umbilical power supply from host platforms with alternative energy resources, the industry can harness renewable power to improve economics and reduce offshore emissions.